Hello, come in. We've got a TNT 400 plus for a good customer mine repair. Boy, this thing's been an absolute headache. I'm going to tell you a story about what happened. I get this thing in, hook it up, key it up one time, blows my radio up, blows the phone on the radio, look up my radio, smoking. I get to tracing down the relay board here and trying to figure it out. Key it up again, blows my radio. So I did it again. So after I put 3 or 4 finals in my radio, I said, you know, that's it, no more. I ain't playing them games. I took this relay board, jerked it out of there, slung it over there on the table, said no more. So I put a relay in it and wired it my way. I took every peel out of it and checked it. I ended up putting a new driver final, one new output final. Well, they're new used, but they're Motorola's. They match up. Got it all rebuilt. Got it up and going for you, man. I like it better this way anyways. A lot more reliable. Pretty good old box. Like I said, after I blow 2 or 3 finals in the radios, I was either gonna just take this out and do away with it, or I was gonna throw it all in the garbage. But anyway, I fixed it the way I wanted it, and fixed it the way I know how. All right, let's look at straight through SWR. Worldwide. Turn it on, high power, input SWR. Worldwide, just a little right on target. So it keys up good and everything. Key up light works on it, everything works. High, medium, and low works a little. It's really more or less works like high and low, but it works somewhat. I mean, you got like, let's see, there's high, there's medium. Medium and low is pretty close to the same. I just turned high probably, it's me, but it does work. The sideband works. But it's all Motorola finals. Pretty good old box now. 1001 slug, PEP. Radio drive, it's all we're going to drive with. One driving 8. Hello audio, worldwide, we're on 15.5. Worldwide, hello audio, 1212, 900 some change. Now it is on 15.5. Turn that deck a little bit. Hello audio, worldwide. She's up and going, make you a good little box now on the LP. Hello audio, worldwide. Hello audio, worldwide. So your tunes are real good, your output power's there, your average. She's good to go. It's a good little box now. She's on frequency and everything. Hello audio, worldwide. Get on down. And this tune on channel 20, so it's on CB. But there she is, man. She's up and going for you. TNT 400 plus, doing 900, not bad. It's got the old original Motorola pills in it. One driving 8. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10018 Beavis. Catch you later on. Bye bye.